Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. A dashcam, dashboard camera, car DVR, driving recorder, or event data recorder EDR is an onboard camera that continuously records the view through a vehicle's front windscreen and sometimes rear or other windows. Some dashcams include a camera to record the interior of the car in 360 degrees inside camera, usually in a ball form, and can automatically send pictures and video using 4G. EDR and some dashcams also record acceleration, deceleration, G-force, speed, steering angle, GPS data, etc. A wide-angle 130, 170 degrees or more front camera may be attached to the interior windscreen, to the rear-view mirror, clip-on, or to the top of the dashboard, by suction cup or adhesive tape mount. A rear camera is usually mounted in the rear window or in the registration plate, with an RCA video output to the display monitor screen. The resolution will determine the overall quality of the video. Full HD or 1080p is standard for Dash HD cams. Dash cameras may have 1080p, 1296p, 1440p, or higher definition for a front camera and 720p for a back camera, and include f1.8 aperture and night vision mode. Dashcams can provide video evidence in the event of a road accident. When parked, dashcams can capture video and picture evidence if vandalism is detected. 360 degrees parking monitor and send it to the owner, usually employing 4G. This dashcam is simple, cheap, and it will also help me reduce my car insurance. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.